Okay, so in this video, we will learn about the pseudo elements in CSS. So, a CSS pseudo element is a keyword added to a selector that lets you style a specific part of the selected element or elements. Okay, so we have to use this syntax, which is double colon, and then we will add our pseudo element. Okay, so one of them is first line, and just like the pseudo classes which we have learned previously, I have just opened up some of the like mostly used pseudo elements here. Okay, and we will discuss them all together. So the first one is the first line, okay, pseudo element. So let's have a look. So as the name suggests, it is selecting the first line. So what I can do, I can just get rid of all of these CSS, okay? And we have this container. And now what we'll do, we will add the paragraph and then do double colon and then do first and then line, and let's do the color of, once again, let's do blue violet. Save and go to our browser and go here. So the first line of our paragraph here is in that particular color, which is the blue violet color. Okay, then what we have, we have the first letter as well. So many of the times what they have shown, which is a very nice example, many of the times what we want to just increase the size, like the font size of the first letter of a paragraph. So how we can do that? We can do that by using this pseudo element, which is the first letter. So what I can do, I can go here, P, and then do double colon first letter, and then do font size of 20 pixel, or let's do something like 50 pixel, and let's do a text, uh okay, let's do a text decoration of underline. Okay, let's see that how that looks. Okay, right now if I go here, now we have the first letter here, which have the font size increased, and it has the text decoration of underline as well. And you might be thinking, hey, why these links are getting selected? Because these are inside of the paragraph. Okay, so what I can do, I can just get rid of this. Okay, we don't want that for right now. All right, so here it is. Then we have this one, which is very, very nice. It is the selection pseudo element. Now, if I just select that, as you can see, like by default, if I just select something which is selecting in the blue color, which I believe your system basically sets, but you can change that as well. So here, what we have the color to red and the background color of yellow. So we can do something similar in our case as well. So if I just do here, what I'll do, I'll just comment out that, and let's see what is my selected color. So right now it is blue, and whenever I am selecting the text is getting white. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll do the paragraph and then do selection and do a color of white and a background color of blue violet. Okay, let's see that in action. Okay, it is already in blue violet right now. Okay, we can set something like this reddish color as well. Okay, this red color, and right now whenever we are selecting the text, it is in red and the color is in white. Okay, and then we have some other things as well, other pseudo elements. Some of them is something like this spelling error. If you have used something like Grammarly or some sort of other grammar things like the grammar extensions, you can have this spelling error. And here Firefox is not happy with that. Okay, but yeah, it is as it is. So whenever we have some spelling error, we have this red squiggly lines here, which we can like change as well. We can change the color. As you can see, it is the double colon spelling error. Okay, then we have similarly we have the grammar error as well. And once again, Firefox is not that much happy about this grammar error. And here what we have, we do not have anything because there is no grammar error, I believe. But yeah, so basically that is it. So we have the grammar error pseudo element as well. And then we have the two most important pseudo elements. One of them is before and another one is after. Okay, and we use before and after quite a lot in our applications, but it needs a dedicated like series of videos to cover the before and after pseudo elements. Okay, so yeah, that is basically it. So these are the pseudo elements in CSS.